Hello everyone, I'm Varika and I'm back with another video which is about the small choices that we make in our daily lives. Sometimes it's not the loudest thunder that signals changes. Instead, it's the softest flutter of wings. Picture this, a butterfly, delicate and fragile, fluttering its wing in a far off forest. Now, this might seem like nothing, a tiny motion in a big world. But what if I tell you that this small act can lead to a chain of reactions that can eventually create a hurricane across the other side of the planet? Now, it might seem like magic, but it's actually science, the butterfly effect. Now, let's bring this into real life. Imagine picking up a piece of litter on your walk. Now you might ask yourself that what difference will it make picking up one piece of litter while there are millions of them out there. But still you just pick it up and someone sees you and gets inspired to do the same. Soon many people join in and your small act has sparkled a community effort to clean your neighborhood. You see, a small decision that you make has made a big impact. But the butterfly effect is not just about spreading positivity. It's also a reminder that our negative actions can have consequences too. A harsh word or unkind gesture can ripple out too, affecting people in ways that we might never see. It's a call to be mindful, to recognize that everything we do has the potential to influence the world around us. The beauty of butterfly effect is that it empowers us to see the significance of our everyday choices. It tells us that our actions, our decisions, our choices, no matter how small it seems, contributes to the unfolding story of the world. So what does this mean for you and me? Well, it means that we hold incredible power in our hands. We have the ability to shape the future not with grand gestures but with tiny, seemingly insignificant choices that we make every day. So next time you're faced with a decision, remember the butterfly. Remember that your actions, your choices, no matter how small, has the power to start to create a wave of change. It's a reminder that we are all part of something much bigger than ourselves. So let's embrace the butterfly effect. Let's choose to flutter our wings in ways that lift people, inspire change, and create positive impact in the world. Because in the end, it's the small things that make big differences. Talking about small things, if you enjoyed watching this video, why not start your own butterfly effect just by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing? You can help spread this message far and wide. So go ahead, together we can make a positive change. Thank you.